So in this video, I want to teach you how to use 711 proxy with Happ on iPhone, how to connect 711 on your phone basically. So the first thing you need to do is create an account on 711.com and head to your app store and download Happ app. This video is specifically for this app. Download it. Once you've downloaded it, you don't need to create an account on it. Just open it. This is what the app looks like. This is what it looks like. So once you've done that and you've created an account on 711Proxy, you sign in, you need to get a CDKey to have a balance to be able to use their residential proxies. So just come to this. You can get the GB or you can get the IP, but for this video I'll be doing the IP. Just go to the buy IP. So click on it, it will load up, and presently I have 5 IPs. If you want to have an available IPs like this, you can message me. I sell the CDKeys that can be redeemed here. So you can have balance from 10 upward. So you can message me. I'll put my number on the screen or in the description of this video. So once you have this, you need to extract IP out of it, how to generate IPs out of this account, so you can be able to connect to any country you want to connect to. So this is how you do that. You come to this global miss and search. Let's say I'm trying to connect to the United States of America, and in the state I want to choose let me just scroll down and go choose New Jersey. So the sub user, you leave it on default. You can actually add the sub user also, that's your choice. Leave the password and every other thing on default. Just scroll down and come to this get proxy list. So here you can decide to generate any amount of proxy you want depending on your choice, but for me I'll be going for one because I just want one proxy. The amount of proxy you select here will determine the amount of balance that will be deducted from your account here. So you should know that and you should have that in mind. So once you've done that, you click on this generate. So this information is what we are working with. You can just click on this thing to copy it like this, or you can select all and copy like this also. So we'll split it. Let me just put it in my notepad so you can understand how to split it. So basically this information, you can paste it here. There is always this colon in between these informations, this colon sign. That is what is used to split the information, like to know the difference. So you can just come to this colon and split them out like this. So delete those colon. Firstly, delete those colon like this, and let me just name them so you can know what is what and what is not. So this is called server or hosts, depending on the proxy connector you are using. That is what they normally call them. This one is always called ports, and this is always called username, and this is called password. So basically this is the information we are going to be connecting with on the Happ app. So now that we have this information, let's go to Happ and connect. So to connect here, you need to click on this plus icon here at the top right corner and click on manual input. So here in the protocol, you change it to SOCKS5 and give it a name. This name is your choice. You can just name it anything. Let's say we are calling this one new 711 New Jersey. This one, you choose the name yourself. So this server address is this. Some people call it host on their own app. So you copy it and you paste it here. The port is this. You copy it also and you paste it here. Then the username is this one. Just copy it like this. Copy it gently and you paste it here also. And the password is this. You copy it and you paste it here. So once you've done all of that and you make sure there is no colon at the back of all this information, none of them, you click on this save. So once you click on save, you see the list like this. Mine may look different because I have all these proxies I had connected earlier on that I've been using. So it will be here, and just click on it like this. You see the way that thing is changing, the way I'm clicking on different proxy. So let's say I want to connect to this one, I'll click on it. So this one we just created now here. Just let's leave these ones and let's act like they are not there. This is the one we just selected now, 711 New Jersey. So I clicked on it. You see this white thing beside it, means it has been selected. And you click on this power button, then it will roll, and it will connect. So that means it has connected. So once that's done, we need to check if we are connected or not. Open a new tab and go to either of these sites, whoa.net or ip8.com. And use any of these apps to check your proxy if they are connected to your country of choice. So it will load up. It's loading at the moment. As you can see, It's pretty fast and straightforward. Nothing, not and clean also. Our DNS is Cloudflare. This is our IP, and everything looks normal. Let's check on UA.net also. So yeah, you can check on UA.net or you can check on ip8.com. Any one of them works. So that's basically it. You can always message me for more information about this if you need CDKeys to get an IP balance here. So now that we are connected, this our IP balance will change if we refresh this now. Let's refresh. It's loading. It's still loading. I don't know, my network, maybe my network or something. But yeah, the IP balance has changed to 4, as you can see. That means -1 because we had selected one. So if you want to see your IP list, the IPs you've selected in the last 24 hours, you can come to this 24-hour list and it will load up like this. And you would see the information here. You can always copy it and reuse it if it is still active. This is where you would also see if it is active. As you see here, the status is it's available and it is online. So the amount of IPs that has been consumed is 1. So yeah, it has also a feature. I'll talk about, in another video, I'll talk about different proxy providers and different features they have. So 711 has this unique feature whereby if I want to stay on this IP for as long as I want, I can always click on this yes to renew it. So they will renew this IP for me every 6 hours as long as I have balance. Do you get? So when this one dies in the next 6 hours, they will renew it again and they will deduct the balance automatically. So they will do that until I run out of balance and I'm tired of using the IP. Do you get? So this is one of the features of 711. So you can always message me if you need CDKey balance and you need assistance regarding this. I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you in the next one. Also, yeah, let me put it out there. Like the video, subscribe, and do anything. You can also drop your queries in the comments. I will be happy to assist you guys. Thank you. Bye.